See, the sound is like really big here. It's really big. I just started the machine. I just started the machine and it's a big noise. Look, I'm going to shut down again. I'm going to start again. And you'll again, every time I start, it's really big noise. And as I walk, it's like really big. The sound is really big. Again, I'm going to start again. Look, look the noise. Look. And it's oiled. It's completely oiled. I oiled it. Look, really big sound. In the beginning, when I got the treadmill, it was very smooth. Look, the noise is like really big.